Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Mothership Project, and it is September. I am so happy. September makes me very happy because it is our family's birthday month. We have so many birthdays, and in this video, Kabeer and I will be making a birthday cake for my husband whose birthday is on the 9th. Now this is in no way a cooking tutorial or cooking video. I am definitely not a professional baker. Whatever baking I know, I have learned from my mother, who by the way is an excellent baker, and of course my sister. She is a professional baker. She makes the most gorgeous cakes. These are just some of them, and if you want to check out more of her cakes, please visit her Instagram handle, Eat, Pray and Love. I will leave the link in the description box. But I will be leaving the recipe towards the end of the video, so you can take a screenshot if you want to. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Today we will be making cake for Papa.
Okay, for mini.
Mini cake, yes. Kabeer is going to make a mini cake along the way. And let's get started. So first we are going to take 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Can we put that one in? After this, we have to add half cup of cocoa powder. Now you make sure that you see this cocoa powder, because if yes, I'm giving you your cocoa powder. So your cocoa powder is over here. Because if there are any lumps left, your cake will be lumpy texture. This, we are going to add 1 cup of sugar. Mix this up. Now we are going to add this. This is a mixture of 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. So we have already added this mixture, not in that mind. And our dry ingredients are ready. So we are going to keep this aside, and now we are going to mix the wet ingredients. Okay, now keep this aside, and now we are going to use this. You have to add half cup of oil. Your oil is over here. Yes. Then we have to add half cup of hot water. Now this water has to be hot. I don't know why it has to be hot. My mom told me it has to be hot, so I'm adding hot water. There must be some science behind it, but I will go with it. That is your risk. And then we have to add half cup of cold milk. The milk has to be cold. Here is your milk. Now biscuit. And then we have to add 1 egg. Your egg is here. Are you having fun? Okay, and once this wet mixture is ready, we have to add this dry mixture in small portions to avoid any lumps. Wait, let Mama.
I'm down.
Now first mix it. Add it in. This cake comes out like really good, and it's a very easy to make cake. You don't require any electronic equipment like egg beater or hand mixer. Your whisk is enough. Now this batter is going to be a little lumpy, but that is okay. That is how it's meant to be. The cake will come out to be sweet a bit. We have our baking tins ready. Your baking tin is here. We have our baking tins ready. And wait, Mama will do it. Wait. Please mix. we will come back once the cakes are ready. I hope you enjoyed baking with us. See you next time. Say bye.
Bye. Let's eat the cake.
Okay.